out. This is crazy. Like, why did they even salvage this out? That's the type of stuff I like to buy. Like, when I sell my customers and I show them the pictures of what the car used to be looking like, they used to be like, they salvaged it out because of that? I'll be like, yes, bro. You know what I mean? So that's the type of stuff I like buying. And in this video, we're going to go over the type of stuff I like buying. Now, I was just going to insert a clip to when I first seen this car. Now, it's a car that I'm currently working on right now. It's a 2011 Mercedes-Benz E550 convertible. It's a car that I'm currently working on. I'm not finished yet. Actually, tomorrow the parts are supposed to come in tomorrow, and I am supposed to be putting it back together tomorrow. You know what I mean? I got everything ready for it. I'm just waiting on these parts. So I'm about to show you guys a live example. Now, I already have this car already, so I'm about to show you guys a live example. I only did a couple of little things to it, so you're about to see that. But first, man, guys, make sure you join my monthly membership, wehustledaily.com, wehustledaily.com. I'm showing y'all all my tips, my secrets, tips, tricks, techniques, everything. Make sure y'all watch this video. You can see what type of cars I've been able to buy, spelling my name and the money and everything. Just for $1 a day, $30 a month, you guys are going to get one video every single week. This is what other people are saying. I got plenty of testimonials on the website, guys, and this is what you're going to get. You're going to get access to my private Discord, which will show you guys how you can get your license without a lot, without an office space, no matter your credit history, no matter your criminal history. Just for $1 a day, guys. All this information is in the course. My tips, my tricks, my techniques. You are still going to get a video lesson every single week with the membership, but the real sauce is in the academy. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys a live example in 1 second. But again, you won't get those weekly video lessons no more once you stop doing the video the monthly membership. And we're going to be going over stuff like this all the time. When I buy the cars, I'm going to release the video. Hey guys, I'm buying this. This is the reason why I'm buying this, that, and the third. It's going to be released in the monthly membership every week. But yes, so let's go ahead outside. I was actually about to go get something to eat. We're going to look at the Mercedes-Benz and show y'all what I'm working with. So let's go ahead and go outside. All right, guys, and this is my E550. Let me wipe the screen a little bit. Yeah, that looks way better. So this is my E550, man, convertible, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and open the doors for you guys because I got the keys. So this is my salvage Mercedes-Benz. I'm about to show you guys why it's salvaged in just 1 second. You guys probably seen this car. It's a work in progress, but as you can see on the interior, I don't have to do anything. It's clean as ever. If you can look at the seats, you know what I'm saying? Very clean car. Door panels, everything. I forgot how to lock this thing. There we go. I don't even know how you got locked in. But anyway, here it is right here. So this is the damage here that's on my Mercedes. And I'm gonna tell you guys why I bought this and why this is such an easy fix. First of all, both headlights are on the car. You guys don't know that these headlights probably cost about $500 a piece, and that's probably used, right? So I still had both headlights on the car. That really mattered to me. That really makes a difference. So both headlights are on the car. Second, the hood did not bend. Usually when the hood bends a car, I mean, when a car gets in an accident and the hood bends, you got to do a little bit of work. The best, see, I'm giving y'all so much game here, man. Make sure y'all join wehustledaily.com, man. But if the hood is not bent, that's better than the hood is bent, because it's, like the airbag didn't even deploy in this car, if y'all didn't notice. So it's an easier fix when the hood didn't bend, because sometimes you have to pull the radiator support and things like that. But I did not have to do that on this car. The only thing that I'm gonna have to bend up is this here. But so this is the reinforcement. It did hit my reinforcement, and I did take the reinforcement off. Right now the reinforcement is just hanging on here, like it's literally just like, it's not even on yet. As you can see, like it's just on, you know what I mean? So I took it off, which is also called a crash bar. This is also called a crash bar. So I took the bar off, right? And I had to change the condenser. The AC was not working, and the AC wasn't working because the reinforcement had hit the AC condenser, right? Which is the AC condenser here. It hit the AC condenser. So what I did was I took the reinforcement off, changed the AC condenser. My AC is now working, charged it up, right? And now I have to wait. I'm waiting on the like I told you guys, the parts will be here tomorrow. So I'm waiting on the reinforcement and the brackets that hold the reinforcement. The brackets are here. So there's 2 screws that these brackets come out. They just come out. This one here, it just comes out. Put another one in, screw it in, and then attach your new reinforcement bar, right? So that's what I'm waiting on to come in the mail. And I also have the bumper for this car in my Infiniti. Let me go ahead and show you guys that too. So let's go downstairs and let's look at the Infiniti. I also have the Infiniti where the bumper is in.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? wehustledaily.com. If you're interested in learning all my tips and tricks, how to properly inspect cars and how to get your dealer license, the link is in the description below.
All right, here's my Infiniti, my QX70. Got this from Salvaged auction as well. Show you guys the interior on this thing. Beautiful car, as you can see. As you can see, I already got my bumper ready. For that Mercedes. Here's the bumper here. So I already got it ready. I do have it sitting in here. I don't want nobody to steal it. I didn't want to put it on the back of the pickup truck. But this is another car that I did, right? And I'm going to go over the prices and everything that I got into these cars. So make sure you join my academy, man. That's going to be a part of the videos you get every single week. So make sure you check out the website. But yep, I put this mug together as well, guys. Easy fix, man. I can just tell you that I changed the fender, the bumper, and the headlight. That's it, that's all. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in and rocking with me, man. Again, join that academy just for $1 a day. That is the type of stuff I look for when I'm buying salvage title cars. Like I go way more in depth in the academy, guys. So make sure you join the academy. Get that course for just 50% off, just at $100. And I'm gonna show you everything you need to know, and I'm gonna set you up for success. All right, appreciate you guys for tuning in and rocking with me. WHD Academy, peace. wehustledaily.com monthly membership for as little as 30 cents to $1 a day. Join my academy if you're interested in learning how to properly inspect cars, learn all my tips and tricks, and learn the easiest and the fastest way to get your auction license, no matter what state you in, and without having an actual car lot. And we also do monthly giveaways. The link is in the description below.
On Hustle Nation, just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.